Hey everyone, welcome back to Agent versus App. This is day 4 of our 30-day AI testing challenge, where we test whether AI agents can handle real-world app workflows. Today's app is Instagram, and this time we're testing a login to follow flow, a stateful journey that includes authentication, system prompts, and dynamic search. The first thing I add is test data. Next, I define the test steps in plain English. Enter the username, enter the password, click log in, handle post login prompts, allow system permissions, open search, search for Mark Zuckerberg, select the profile, click follow. That's the entire test flow, defined without writing a single line of automation code. The AI agent is automatically generating the automation script in the background. So when the test finishes, I don't just get a pass result. I get a production-ready automation script with reasoning captured for every step. I can export it, run it across devices, or plug it straight into CI. Same intent. Different devices, same outcome. That's what modern mobile testing should look like. Agent versus app. Instagram tested. Agent delivered. Which app should we test next? Drop it in the comments.